Okay, so good evening everybody. Today I am here to present on the topic object counting using image processing in DSP. So here is a list of our group members. Moving on to the introduction. So many of us today wants to design and the develop a system which can identify, separate out, and count the products and all sorts of objects in bounded in the image area and provide fast and highly accurate results. For finding and counting the objects in image, some pre-processing is required, such as an enhancement of image so that object can be easily counted. So the image processing is often viewed as arbitrarily manipulating an image to achieve an aesthetic standard or to support a preferred reality. However, the image processing is accurately defined as means of translation between the human visual system and digital imaging devices. The human visual system does not precise the word in the same manner as digital detectors with display devices, imposing additional noise and bandwidth to restriction. Silent difference between the human and the digital detectors will be shown along with some basic processing steps to achieve the transmission. So moving on, here are our input codes. So basically here what we try to achieve here is we have given four push buttons. In that the first would be the loading of our image. Then second would be converting that image into gray color, then converting that gray colored image into black and white. Then the last thing would be counting the objects or the objects which is bounded in the picture in the image area. So moving on, we have defined the path of the image where we are going to get that image. We have decided the path. Then after that, which type of image it is going to be. It is going to be jpeg, png, for example. Then after this we are going to convert. So this is it. So after this, here in this part we are going to convert the image into gray to black and white. So the code is given here for converting the image. So after that, the last step is counting the objects in the image. So here is the code for that. So here is the MATLAB screenshot of our code. Here is the output loading. Don't worry about this. We have given the video in which you will get to know our outputs. So moving on to the video. So it basically is selecting the image. So now we have selected the image from the desired location. Now he is converting the image into gray, and now he's converted in black and white. Now he's going to count. It's going to count the images, the objects in the image. So it is given that there are, you can see that there are 32. We can here is another example. Selecting the image, converting into gray, then black and white. Here is the count. As you can see, 5. So here was our demonstration video. Moving on to the conclusion. So in this project we can conclude that we can count image in a gray scale. This project includes the mechanism of counting the image in gray and black scale. Using some useful techniques in this project, in this we work only for grayscale images, and it is very powerful tool, and only just few commands we can count objects in the gray scale image. So objects counting in MATLAB gives us very useful ideas. So yeah, and here are our moving on, here are our reference links which we have taken the help from, and thank you. That's it for now.